This is where I'm spending my time today at the nature park, Sweetwater Park in Georgia. Just want to get on here and share. I'm going to be doing some soulspirations on YouTube live soon, but right now it's only letting me like video record things like this. So this is where I'm at. If you have somewhere that you can go to that's like this in your neighborhood or the area where you live, go. Yo, it's a beautiful experience, and it's a good way to spend time alone with yourself, because we all need that time. So it's beautiful. I love it. Peace, love, and light to you all.